Hi guys, всіх вітаю. Today I have two new packages what I would like to show you. I know you like this type of videos and I'm really so excited to check what I got today. It will be two really cool packages, one from Germany and one from here, from Spain. Let's start with one what I got from Germany. It's from FBS store. Let's check what we get. Thank you, Kata. Perfect. Some stickers. More stickers. Even a catfish BBQ one. Okay, and the most interesting part is here. I don't know why it's already opened. I hope the guys on the customs have installed it. Like it comes with a tool. I ordered 32 ones, so let's check. I love the packaging, pretty cool. And let's actually check the product. Oh wow. Wow, I love the details. Like it's very well made. Like all the stuff is super high quality. I love it. Yeah, looks amazing. A bit high, but I hope it works. Really cool. Because it looks so nice. Okay. And one more thing, like very cool accessory from catfish. I even think it works like in the real life, but at least it looks pretty cool. So that's all what I have from German package. Let's go to the another one. It's a bit bigger. It's from Javi from Vitium. Really very cool packaging. It's so safe and let's check the content. Wow, I like it. It's a parking block from a Vitium. Looks really amazing. I love the height of the obstacle. It really looks like a real one. I like it. And the sound is perfect. And another one is like a surprise obstacle. It's really cool that how he added it almost, or maybe to the every order, so I'm really excited to check my. Looks like it's like a basic ledge. I still don't have one, so it will be perfect addition to my Vitium collection, let's say. Oh yeah, it's like a classic box by Vitium. Looks really cool. I mean, like very realistic. Like check all the bricks, all the stuff. Yeah, perfect sound. Perfect. The sound and the feeling is really very nice. So, looks like that's all what I have today. It's a really nice mail day for me. And thank you for your attention. Gracias. And спасибо. Дякую. Ciao.